Are you suffering from knee pain? So ito guys, ang 4 mobility movements that you can do to help you alleviate your knee pain and low back pain. So most of the time, when may masakit sa low back natin or sa knees natin, ang biniblame natin is yung mismong part na masakit. But in reality, maybe walang mobility yung hips natin and at the same time yung ankle natin. Thus, napupunta yung impact or yung force dun sa mga joints na sumasakit sa atin or sa mga body part na sumasakit sa atin. So, itry nyo tong movement na to guys to improve your mobility. Okay? What is mobility? Mobility is the ability to move freely. So, yan guys. Try nyo tong mga exercise na to. Leave sa comment kung nakatulong sa inyo. If you also have any questions, you can DM my page so that maybe I can help you perform these movements correctly. So yan guys, sample movements ng mobility for hips and ankle to help you alleviate or minimize or prevent injuries from your knees and your low back. Try this movement and tell me what you felt after.